boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And we are going to have fun today. And we have some special helpers. We have Ben and Travis and Pei-Ying and Isaiah.
Miss Cinda, I have a surprise for you.
What?
I almost forgot. It's at the kitchen sink.
Oh, what do they have, boys and girls? Oh, thank you. They're beautiful. Did you pick those in the field by the farm?
Yes.
Oh, I'm going to set them right here on the stove, boys and girls. Those are beautiful. Thank you. Oh, I love flowers. Guess what? Guess what, Travis? Guess what we're going to make today?
Miss Cinda's sandwich spread.
Oh, you can read. He's reading my recipe, boys and girls.
I know. The Miss Cinda's
Sandwich spread. That's right. Oh, I think you're going to like this, boys and girls.
I'm reading your recipe.
Yo. Okay, let's get started. Okay, boys, Isaiah and Ben, you can put the tofu in, and then both of you get to help mash, okay? So let's move the bowl over so you guys can mash together. Get it all mashed up. Oh, big muscles, Pei-Ying. Help Isaiah, big muscles. Oh, let me see the muscles. Oh, big muscles. Careful, good job. Good job. Oh, you're almost done. All right, let me see. Now, let's move it around. Let me move it around, see. Just a minute, Travis. Oh, you guys got it perfect. Yay. Okay. Let me look, Isaiah. Oh, a little bit more. You got a little bit of big chunk in the bottom. Because we have to get it all mashed up really good, boys and girls.
What next?
Okay, just one second here. Just a minute, Travis. I got to make sure that they have theirs done because they want a good sandwich spread too, don't you? Okay, I'll put these over here. Now,
like the veggies.
who wants to eat? Oh, each find a teaspoon.
Me.
Let me read my recipe because
One
we need
teaspoon.
to, boys and girls, you need to read your recipe and make sure you're getting the ingredients measured just right.
This is the right one.
Oh, well, you don't have to have it if you don't like it. You'll need 2 teaspoons, and this is my McKay's chicken style seasoning, but it's vegan. So it's okay. So you each put a teaspoon in. And boys and girls, what does Miss Cinda say when you're measuring?
Get our knife.
Here's your knife, Pei-Ying.
Oh.
Remember how to measure, Pei? Good job, boys. That's perfect, Travis. Very good, Isaiah. Okay, Pei-Ying, can you do that?
Did you say we needed to?
You each need one. You each put in one. Did you put one in already, Pei-Ying? Oh, well then we better not. Okay. All right, now stir that up. Take your spoons and stir it up. Okay. Pei-Ying and Travis, put your do you guys know what this is?
Celery.
That's chopped celery. And Isaiah and Ben, you can put in what is this?
Cheese.
No, it's not cheese.
Carrots.
Okay. Carrots. Okay, let me remind, you need 3 tablespoons of the dill pickle. So you each find your tablespoon. Tablespoon. Okay, you each good to put in 2 of those. You can put 2 of those in there. We'll start with 2.
Is it measured?
Oh dear, Oh no, you want a tablespoon. Where's your tablespoon, Ben?
Oh, this one.
Yes. Let me go to the kitchen sink and get you another tablespoon, okay?
Is
What?
this measured?
No, that's not measured. That's why you need to use your tablespoon. Isaiah, can you use your tablespoon?
I like
Good job. Oh, you know what? You could just borrow one. I did do dishes earlier, so let me, you know what? I'll go Pei-Ying just one. I've got one by the sink.
Good.
Oh, yay!
This smells good.
It does. Oh, here, good thing I did dishes this morning.
Woo.
Oh, because I like a clean kitchen, don't I? But what happens if we make a mess today?
Watch this. We're cleaning up. We have fun cleaning up. Fun cleaning up.
That's right. We don't mind messes, do we?
Look.
Okay, careful, boys.
Look. Hot.
Good job, Pei-Ying. Put one in. And you know what? You can put one more in. All right, Travis, you can put one more tablespoon of the pickles in. Because you just put in 2, right? Okay. And Ben, while he's doing that, you may put your Vegenaise in. Ben, you each put 2 tablespoons. So show me your tablespoon. That's it. Yes. Yes. Oh, well, you know what? That's what our towels are for. Oh, dear. That's what our towels are for. And that's what our aprons are for, too, huh? It keeps our clothes clean. Did you guys know that's why we wear aprons? They keep our clothes clean. Let's wipe off the table, too.
My grandma has
Okay, did you put another one in? And Isaiah put 2 of the Vegenaise in. Okay? Put 2 tablespoons.
I put
Yes,
one
Ben.
in. My papa cans these whole.
Wow. Ooh, I'd like to taste those. Next time you come to the kitchen, bring me some of those.
Cinda, the next time I'm going to bring some more flowers for you.
Oh, yay! Okay, did you get one of those in there? Here, let me help you. Okay, put that in.
I can do it.
Oh, okay, because you're a big girl.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. So you want 2 of those? Well, go ahead and do 4 of those, Isaiah.
I need a full
Did you guys get 4 of those in there?
Full of what?
Did you get 4 of the Vegenaise?
I got 2.
You got 2? Ben, did you get 2?
No.
Okay, you want 2.
Nah.
You might want to use your knife, Ben, instead of your finger, but here's a rag for you.
I'm doing another again.
Okay?
Okay.
And you got your pickles in? Okay.
I
We're almost ready to make our sandwiches.
don't like that.
Oh, well, you know what? You don't have to eat it. And Miss Cinda made a sample, and you can eat what I have in the sample, okay? Yes. Oh, do you have some more pickles in there? Let's get your pickles off of here. There you go. Miss Cinda got it. Okay, no, that's for our sandwich. Okay, stir up gently. Stir that up.
Some more pickles.
What? Oh, my, you're just saving all kinds of pickles down there. Let's just leave it. Miss Cinda will get it later, okay?
My mommy can get it.
Okay. All right. Good job. Okay, can you gently stir that up, guys? And we're almost ready to make...
Miss Cinda, I
Okay,
got another one.
get it all mixed up good.
Miss Cinda,
And
I
I'll
got
bring over our bread.
got another scoop.
Oh.
We didn't
Did
get
you do
4?
4? Because you need 4.
I didn't get 4 of them in.
Oh, well, make sure you get 4 in, okay?
I don't like pickles under my shoe.
You don't?
You get 4 and I get 4. Is it?
Okay, look what...
I get 4 too.
No, you each were supposed to get 2. So let me put this up now, because I think you guys have enough in there. Okay? Okay, who's ready to make their sandwich? Ah, who's ready? And Ben, could you go get the sample I made earlier, and Pei-Ying's going to use that for her sandwich. Oh, would you like some bread?
Yes.
Okay, get a couple pieces of bread. Oh,
Look at mine, Miss Cinda. Heavy.
is it a little heavy? Oh, it is, isn't it? Okay. All right, Travis, let's put that down.
That one's so soggy.
Okay, ready? Get some bread. And you guys put some sandwich bread on your bread, and then you can put lettuce if you want, and we have some cucumbers you can put on too. Here's some if you guys want.
Where's my knife?
Oh, I do too.
Me too.
Oh, you know what? Let's use a spoon. Because then you can spoon it on. Okay?
I'm using a spoon.
Yes. Miss Cinda's.
Miss Cinda, could you get me a spoon?
Sure.
Miss Cinda, I like veggies.
Yeah, oh, good. Okay, you guys can try your sandwich.
I want
Oh, you would like some lettuce? Okay, let me break it so it fits in your sandwich. Who else wants some lettuce?
me.
All right.
Do you?
Is it good, Isaiah? Here's
You
some
want
lettuce.
some
Do you want
lettuce?
some cucumbers, Travis?
Yes, please.
Oh, this is a yummy sandwich, isn't it?
Yummy. I'm eating the pickle.
That's a cucumber. I like cucumbers too.
Miss Cinda, I think this is going to be good.
Ooh, Kev, that's gonna take some talent. Oh, good job, Ben. Oh, how is it? Yummy.
Delicious. Yummy in my tummy.
Oh, good. Travis, you ready to try yours?
Look at mine.
Now that's a good lunch, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Travis.
Uh-oh!
Oh,
That's actually good.
that's our kitchen timer. It means we're almost out of time. It's okay. You have time to eat your sandwiches, kids. And boys and girls, if you want to make this sandwich at home, you can go on our Tiny Tot website and you can have an adult help you get the recipe. And then you can have them help you make it. I think you'll like it too. Is that good?
My tummy.
You know what? You guys are making it look so good. I think I'm going to try one.
Okay.
I think I'm going to try half a sandwich. Oh.
I know. I'll eat the other half.
You'll eat the other half of mine?
So good, I'll eat the other No. She's using just one piece of bread and making it two-sided.
Oh, but I could give him my other half of bread. I think, should I put some lettuce on mine?
Yeah.
Yes? Oh, this looks delicious. Okay, I'm gonna try it too.
Yummy.
Who likes being in the kitchen?
Cinda, this is good.
Is it good?
It's
you know what?
really good. It's good.
It's good. And you know what, boys and girls? It's good for you. Did you know that? Because it's really important to eat healthy, isn't it, boys and girls? And we need to always think about that and eat healthy things, because if we put healthy things in our body, then what?
Uh-oh.
We have strong bodies. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. That's all the time we have for now. So remember, boys and girls, anytime that you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.